So guys, welcome to my page. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to test your laptop charger to know if your laptop charger is good or whether it is not good. Today we are going to test a Dell laptop charger and a HP laptop charger. So a laptop charger gives out 19 volts and above in order to power up your laptop. So today we are going to test it with a digital multimeter. So this is the digital multimeter. We are going to put it in 20 volts. So this is the 20 volts. The digital multimeter is now in 20 volts. So we are going to test this Dell charger. As you can see, it has an indicator, but the indicator doesn't mean that the laptop charger is good. So you have to put the black probe here. So we have put the black probe in the appropriate place. You put the red probe inside it. Boom, as you can see, it's giving 19.5 volts. This shows that this Dell charger is okay and it can power up your laptop. So let's test the HP charger too. This is a HP laptop charger. So let's keep the black probe here and the red probe, which is the positive probe, and the black one is the negative probe. We are going to put the red one inside here, and is also giving us 19.2 volts, which shows that this charger is okay. Please do follow us for more computer tips. Thanks. Do like, subscribe and share our page. Thank you once again.